Good morning, my name is Brad Armstrong with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. Want to introduce you to a 2023 Sea Ray SPX 210. This boat comes with an optional sports tower with the bimini top, and we have a stainless steel 4-step ladder to get you into the boat, and we have a Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke engine. Let's go look inside the boat. The interior of this boat features the essential package, slim platform, and a bow filler for sunbathing in the front. Also features ivory interior with 2 captain's chairs, analog gauges with a digital depth finder. You can reach me at 973-222-0979.